Welcome everyone, it's Baron here.
And I'm Erin. We are going to help you with useful video editing tips that you can do online.
Have you ever wanted to convert videos into different formats? Maybe create those eye-catching GIFs to add to your social media profile, or even just add a simple music track to your video?
UniConverter can do all that for you on a Mac or desktop PC. But wait, now our beloved UniConverter is online.
What does this mean? Well, for starters, you don't need to download the program. The online version is available for a total of free! And
What? There's more?
yes, you can use it on your mobile devices. So, it's not going to take up space on your phone or tablet. Did I mention that it's free?
These tips are plenty useful to create short and exciting video clips for upload to social media sites like Instagram and TikTok.
Now, get ready your smartphone or tablet and let's head over to UniConverter Online.
Here's an overview of the online video tools available. In this episode, I will show you how to make a video GIF, reverse a video, change the speed of a video, loop a video, add audio to a video.
Let's start off with something fun and make a personal GIF. We use GIFs to send moving photos that's fun, attention-grabbing, and easily shareable. For that, we'll select Video to GIF. You can use any web browser on your mobile device to use UniConverter Online. Select the Video to GIF tab and click on Choose Files. Select your video file for conversion to GIF. Use the slider to choose which part of the video you wish to convert into a GIF, or enter the start time and end time. Now choose an output size. A higher value means a bigger frame but a larger file size. Click Create GIF. Once the conversion process is completed, enjoy having a video as a picture. Share it off to your cloud, messaging apps, or on social media.
Things can end up being unexpectedly funny when a video is reversed. Shall we do a little trick and reverse a video? Choose the video you want to reverse. You have the option of 3 reverse speeds. Turn off the sound here or not. There's a bunch of file formats to choose from, but we'll stick to the ever versatile MP4 and click reverse. Once it's done reversing your video, download the file and have fun.
It's interesting to see what happens when time is slowed down. Next up, we'll change the speed of our video. Click on the Video Speed tab. You can also find it at the Online Tools. Pick your file to change its speed. It's more intuitive to use the slider, left to slow, right to speed up. Or you could choose a preset. Take note of the duration of your video affected by the speed change.
If you've ever wanted to loop a video, maybe you want to highlight an interesting part. Well, here's how to do it. Click on the Loop Video tab. Use the slider to select which part of the video you'd like to repeat. Then, select how many times you want to loop your clip. This tells you the duration of your clip, including the times it's looped.
And this last tip is something many of us will find very useful. Get a music clip ready because we'll learn how to add a music track to your videos. From the online tools, choose Add Audio to Video. Load your video clip. Then, add your audio track. Use the Trim Audio to select which part of your audio track you'd like to use. Clicking on the loop will repeat your music for the length of your video. Now, this slider lets you adjust your video's original sound. Use the timeline to preview your clip and select Merge when you're good to go.
Try out these 5 video editing tips with the online version of UniConverter. We had lots of fun with it and I'm sure you will too.
Remember, it's free to use and it works great with your mobile devices as well.
If you want more videos like this, like, share and subscribe.
It's Baron here
With Erin. Thanks for watching.
and we'll see you in the next episode.